That's supposed to be last one, but body not running because so easy now. Alright, so I'm going to sleep, you know. And I'm with you.
But look on my one, you think?
Man, guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Great freaking sleep last night. Well, yeah, it got a little bit cold, as you guys can realize. Like, I had to drop my sweater really fast. When I saw this was on back and forth, I didn't even care because I was like, wow, I need to get on something warm, you know. Anyway, money. Out on a boat already. Yeah, man. You say ready for the work already?
Yeah.
Make sure same dash out team line, one to the other line.
Yeah, last night was a big fail.
Big fail.
Yeah, because we dropped a sleep left line in our water.
John,
and this morning when we wake up, it burst up.
Yeah.
Pole gone and line just burst up. We can see impression night tree, which we'll leave it. We'll show you that in a minute. We shall retire line and so we'll leave it there. So you know, so like something tug on it whole night. You can see impression night tree.
I know.
And just burst up line. Line couldn't take the pressure no more. Or there I try again early in the morning here, you know? All of them markings and this way they come across. Yeah. All of these markings right here. Impression. We know tension where fish up on the line. Cause we tie it right here.
Yeah.
Kinda like a anchor. Yeah. Man.
Fish determined to my get up. What do you mean?
Jamaican London. What's that? That's my alarm. I guess it's 6:30 in the morning right now, innit? Welcome to Jamaica, everyone. I've never traveled a day in my life, yeah? But we do it for fun, innit?
You lying, yeah? You've been to Honduras?
No, mate. I mean like on a plane.
Ah.
On a plane. The only plane I've traveled on is Mary Jane. The MJ, yes. The marijuana plane. I keep high all the time. Could you please hold this up for me, mate?
No problem, blood.
Thank you, blood. I gotta do the right thing, innit? Keep the kitchen clean so we don't cook in dirty surroundings. Then you Rasta chat blow out Babylon language and feel like a fun thing. They don't even know that. Still I see a turn in them face right now, hear that. Some people hear Rasta talk in Babylon language and feel like it's a good thing. Then they even know still I see good turn in them vessel higher. What would I say? Is what really going on here? Get away from that language and come back to the right tradition of Jamaican Rastafarian language. sight up. Bless eye. No joke.
I think the style I quite like it. Yo.
That's a Native American.
Yeah. But guys, right now we're actually getting ready to do a certain stuff. Me personally, I want to go make some porridge, some porridge that I did in the last video where I was soaking in the water. So that's going to be my vibe, to be quite honest. The guys are going to go out spearfishing, I believe. Yeah. So we're actually looking at the sea to see how calm it is or how rough, and it seems pretty good. So that's gonna be the vibe. Like some Omnicon porridge, traditional Jamaican porridge, which I love so much. I know Raj loves it. Oh, I love Omnicon porridge too. Yeah, so it's gonna be a vibe.
Probably have to change in stone here. Because them a crack up. You can see them broke off. A piece of heat down in here, so you see, brother. You can fry roast on head and like. Feel it. Hot. And the fire out like 5 hours now. Put the stick in there. Ready.
Yo, are you talking now?
The heat down the sea.
It's well hot. Basically, as you guys will know, the ashes basically will help preserve the coals, so that's why it's gonna still be really hot there, but it's really hot, to be quite honest. Alright, so the almond should be partially soaked, so when it's time to boil it won't take so long. So last night we went a little bit of a crayfish hunting. Show them based in your palm so they can see how big.
Almost bigger than my palm.
Yeah, and it's a part-time crowd actually.
That's the first half alone. That's all
But
the
to get to it, it's crazy. So the biggest me ever saw a crayfish claw in a Jamaica.
Because too fast in swim up on man. But I have to just knock him with the stone same time. But the sea water dry back in the river water, so I end up go back up in the street.
I'm at it.
Terrible. Fire.
You know them pot, you can't use like steel wool, you know, you don't.
Right here we have some Betty. And a piece of cinnamon stick. Drop that in another pot. About this much. Yeah man. Oh, no. You give me like to make the coconut juice. This is the little traditional Milk tin puller. As a boy growing up, and I could see these a lot. You know, as Jamaicans have a build liquor breeder hole at the back, so it can pull out nice. Alright, so corn gone in with the water, guys. Remember to jump over to Spearfishing Jamaica's channel. There you'll see another perspective of what is happening here and how we make the porridge, right? So that's going to be a whole vibe. So that's in. But I find for my porridge, I like putting salt in there, a decent amount of salt. I don't know, the salt just magnifies the flavor, especially for Hominy porridge, for me personally. Alright, so we just throw a little coconut oil in there, and we have a ginger kind of crush up, and some, I think they call this mace. No, this part of the nutmeg, we call it mace. Problem, great flavor. Dash. Ginger. And some grated nutmeg.
Alright, let's slip up. When I didn't make me look shit. More?
Alright, so what we're doing here now, guys, is just to basically get the corn soft enough and already. It's of, you know, decent texture. So I'm going to leave it on for about 5 more minutes, and then we can start adding stuff like the milk and the other spices to it, you know.
Ready, Raj? Yeah. Timber! Down. Not catch that one there. I want to not catch good.
No.
Catch what I want.
How's that?
Oh, jelly this one. Yeah, you know if you use that.
Yeah. If it was coconut, it would be dry. I don't want enough coconut. Jelly. That one enough coconut. Okay.
I can carry a drop box.
I'm blue bone and it.
This pot produces so much steam when it closes down in there. It's almost like a pressure cooker and there. Slight lift. Nice bubbles. Alright, let's take it off. Add in some coconut milk. And then you go add all your stuff them, like your some more nutmeg. Anything to go and catch up the flavors a bit more. Sugar, condensed milk. Oh yeah, this smells so good. Add in a condensed milk. But this is not the time to blow on any condensed milk. Everything that's going on, but you guys in Jamaica. You guys from Jamaica, born and raised, will know what I'm talking about.
see that? And some other things. You see me? No wonder it look like say oh, one fishy place they have there some.
And the woman just dead left it.
Yeah, they left everything.
Washing your face with coconut water.
That's rich.
Cancel.
So I'm to add in a loss of my virgin coconut oil. I need to get some more. First, you know, we have some vanilla and a little bit of butter or margarine. I know some people might be wondering why the pot overflow, because it's 4 of us and I want the food to share, right? Though. So it's bubbling right on the brim. So we'll pour some nutmeg on the top. Give it a little stir. And then we're going to show some cornstarch in it. Cornstarch is going to help to thicken it up. At the same time, still preserve that corn flavor because it's corn, right? I'll take time throwing the cornstarch, just enough so we'll see how thick it gets. We'll start with that first and then watch it. If it's thick enough, then we can leave it. If it need more, add more. Because what you basically want, you want the corns them not to, when you serve it, you don't want the corn them all the way to the bottom. You need to have like corn floating in the middle, you know. That's the vibe we're trying to catch. That's what we're doing here. Start a bubble. Now want the bubbles them to bust too fast. That means say everything is good. So not too soft, not too watery, sorry, not too thick. So vibe.
They must say a 2 month worth of food they have left. Bumbo clean, we are go dead.
What you say?
Jelly and cane, sour sap and them thing, yeah, my KFC that man. Yeah? My KFC that man.
Yeah, let's start, brother.
Yeah man, and my KFC them brother, the apple them are dead for them come on from the tree.
You know what the
No.
crackers is? Yeah man. We have a cup of ghetto flour.